Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to split images for Instagram grid in Canva Easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, as you can see, we're currently on Canva already. So you'll just have to create a new design for this. Click on create a design here onto the upper part of the screen. Click onto custom size, and for the width and height, just add in 3 to 40 for that. So right after, just click on to create new design and it will take you to the editor. So here onto the editor, you could go ahead and add in your own photo that you want to go ahead and split for your Instagram. But since I don't have a photo here onto my end, we'll try to use an image in here of a girl. So we'll use elements for this and we're going to click onto photos in here to go ahead and add that. So let's choose this one and we could go ahead and try to resize this onto our screen. Now right after, we'll just have to make this one onto the center and this is how it should look like. Now to go ahead and split this for our Instagram, we'll need to save this one first. Click on the download and then we'll choose the file type for that. For this one, let's choose the suggested one, which is PNG. Click on to download and then right after, once that one is already downloaded, we're going to use another website to go ahead and split this. So I have here the website, which is called Pine Tools. So they have a split image online option in here. So we're just gonna go ahead and drop the image that we just recently downloaded over in here. And then here onto the option to split the image, we're gonna go ahead and choose both grid and the quantity of blocks. Let's choose 3 and let's choose 3 as well in here. Then right after, so let's drop the image already in here and we could see that one already in here. So let's just choose same as input in here and then let's click on to split image. So as you can see, we have in here the different PNG that you could download individually. But for us, so that it would be easier, let's download the zip file for this. Now let's open the zip file in here and let's try to extract this to go ahead and see the photos in here. So let's make this one bigger and you could upload the photo onto this order. So you start here at the bottom up until this one. So you could actually rename this or you could just leave it as it is since it shows already the row of it. So this one is row 1, row 1, column 2, and so on. So you could upload this one already onto your Instagram, and that is just basically it. How you split images for Instagram grid in Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.